She must be proud to share our shy type, conservative. Kiste.
Sunrise shining bright and warm. Feel the heat, let's dance till dawn. Happy faces all around. Welcome summer, hear that sound. Blue skies, oceans deep. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Laughter echoes sweet and free. Welcome summer, you and me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ann. In today's video, I have the subject to be discussed. The 5 signs of Filipino women wants you. Disclaimer, this video is just my own perspective, own opinion as a Filipina living in the province. If you're interested in this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release video. And if you finished already, then let's begin. Now, you might wondering where I am. As you guys can see, I am at the back of mom's house, but while doing in this video, I'm gonna grilled our lunch, which is one of my favorite grilled fish. Or yeah, but today I'm gonna grill sardines, or we call it tuloy, and eggplant. Yeah, while doing in this videos, I have here the charcoal. This one I bought, how much I bought this one? 30 peso. This is good enough for the grilled. Okay, so yeah, the 5 signs of Filipino women wants you. Okay, she must have the time for you to talk. Like, yeah, the time is very important. The time that she wanna talk to you, getting to know you in person, or say like if you're dating online, she have a time for you to talk, both of you guys, you know. Like, say like example, if you date online, she have the time to talk to you, to get to know you, like video chat, video call every day. That's very important communication to get to know each other. Yeah, she must have the time to give it to you, you know. And especially, and also for those foreign dating online, you know, getting to know in person from time to time, video chat. But again, if you're not met yet in person, video chat, video call every day, it's not enough until you meet in a person. Now, I have also a tip for you, a tips for expat or foreign man that wants to date a Filipina. You know, to avoid scam with the Filipina, it's very simple, you know, very simple. Don't send money online, people, especially when you don't meet in person. You don't send that money online, you know. That's very important, you know. Yeah, the time, you know, time and effort to chat, to get to know you in person, that is very important. She wants to hang out with you, you know. She wants to hang out with you everywhere you want to go, especially say like you want to go to resort or explore everywhere, or you gonna have you want to go in the bar. She wants to be with you, to hang out with you, whatever you like, whatever you want, you know. With no lies, no excuses, you know, no lies. Especially, you know, see like if you want to hang out with her and she's like lots of reasons, thousands of reasons, you know, or she has a time to hang out with you also. you know, like, yeah, no lies, no reason, no excuses. And the next one is, yeah, the next one, she look after you, she care about you, people, she caring is very important. She must care with you, like the way, um yeah, she will cook with you, she will look after whatever you want, especially there are lots of things that the Filipina cares for you, you know she want to look after you no matter what, because we Filipina are very caring. We always look after the partner, so it's very important also. She look after you. That is very important. Yeah, see, like in the way cooking, or no Filipina are submissive, but it's not the way that, it's not the way all of that. Not all Filipina are like that, but the thing is, she is caring, and she is caring with you. That's why she want to look after you. It's simple like that. Yeah. See? Yeah, this is the eggplant. Yeah, the next one is, she is not shy to date to you in public, you know, especially when you go dating in public places. There are, as based on my experience, I've seen there are quite few Filipina that they may shy to date you in public place. Filipinos, they want to look at you, especially uh foreigners and Filipina, so Filipino women, especially in the province, there are shy type, conservative. Piste, it's explode. Yeah, there are shy type of Filipina. Ay, this is the eggplant, so I'm gonna grill this one. The eggplant, like two small people. Let's grill this one. Not the small one. Let's grill this one. I need a stone. This is gonna be our lunch, people. See? Woo. So yeah, people. Oh, this is gonna be our lunch, the grilled eggplant and the grilled sardines. I like grilled. The only thing I eat grill when I am here at mom's house. So yeah. I need pie pie. I need pie pie. I need pie pie. It's hot. Time check, it's 10:50. So this is good when we eat. It's hot. Yeah, most Filipino women, especially province girl, you know, uh shy type, because especially we're not exposed in a bars or in a big cities that what they it's different, it's different, the province girl than the city girl. So you must uh get to know her, adapt the culture is very important also. It's hot. Yee. Pistot. So yeah, this is cooked already. Then I'm gonna remove this skin of the eggplant. This is good. This is good, people. So I will get the fish. This is the fish. Call it tuloy. I like this tuloy. Especially when it's big. We Filipina like big anyway. When we eat, oh, we like big. Hey, who cares to eat the small? We like big. Yee. And then I'm gonna make the sausawan. The sausawan. So yeah. Okay, the next one is she must be proud to share or to show you where she grown up. Like especially when province girl, she must proud of that to show you. Yeah, like this, the lifestyle where she grown up. She must proud to share with you. She must, because some Filipinas shy and they hide something, especially when they have kids or not, when dating foreigner, why you hide something? You have to showcase everything, to show, to share with you, you know, especially the lifestyle here in the province. It's very different, like this. Oy, the video ko, madam. Labay lang, ali sa kamera. Oh, lami. Smell good, madam. See, this is the good thing when you grill. It smells good. It smells good, people. Yeah, she must proud of you to show to show or to share with you the lifestyle. When she grown up, what province she is, she must be proud of you. She don't hide something. Oh, this is good now. Okay, the eggplant is cooked. Look. Tadaan. I'm gonna remove the skin. My God, it smells everywhere. I like this because the sardines is big. Well, okay, later. There are also lots of province girls in Manila because they are working. Yeah, like me before I was there working before in Manila. But hey, I realize it is how do you call this? More comfortable to live in the province than in the city. Wow, it smells good already, people. Look. Wow. 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 See, look. Wow. Oh, wow. See, people. I think, my goodness. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. And if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release video. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching. Uy! And this. It's hot, people.
Feel the breeze on your skin. Let the party now begin. Endless night.